It's a new financial year and hopefully you've done your tax return. If not, don't worry, you've got plenty of time. Even if it's not exactly fun to think about, tax is an important part of society. It allows the government to provide all the services that make Australia a great place to live. So especially after doing your tax return, it might sting a bit to know that there are some very big earners who don't pay any tax at all. In the 2022 financial year, there were 91 millionaires in Australia who paid no tax. Those 91 people earned over $1 million, but had deductions so large they reduced the amount of tax they paid to zero. While they didn't pay any tax, they did pay a lot to their accountants. On average, about $130,000. Most people pay on average about $370,000. But it's not just paying fancy accountants. There are plenty of other ways that rich people pay less tax. The most popular of these loopholes is called tax concessions. The biggest is superannuation, where the top 10% got 37% of the tax concessions and reduced their tax by $20 billion. There's also negative gearing in the capital gains tax discount, which the top 10% got 56% and reduced their tax by $7.5 billion. But it's not just the rich paying less tax. Big business is doing it as well, and the gas industry is a prime example. 125 billion of LNG was exported out of Queensland from 2013 to 2023. But 9 out of 10 companies involved in Queensland gas exports have paid no company tax. Impacts has sold 21 billion of gas exports out of the NT since 2015. And in that time, they paid no royalties, no PRRT, effectively getting their gas for free, and paid no corporate tax. In fact, 80% of Australia's gas is exported, and over half of that was given away royalty-free to giant gas companies. So if you want to avoid paying tax, the best way seems to be to stop earning money as a wage and start exporting Australia's gas. Tax is the price we pay to live in a civilised society, and we should all pitch in based on our ability to pay. But there are plenty of people with plenty of ability to pay who are doing the absolute most to avoid paying their fair share. It's important to remember that we can do so much more with tax without hitting low and middle income earners. Instead, we can close loopholes and end the gas industry's free ride.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to keep up to date with all our latest research and work, sign up to our newsletter. Delivered every fortnight, it includes behind-the-scenes updates from Richard Dennis, an exclusive cartoon from Judy Horacek, details for our upcoming events and webinars, as well as explainers, graphs, and not to mention the latest cutting-edge research and analysis from the team here on the key issues that are facing Australia. Click the button on your screen to check it out.